If you were planning to jump into the Virginia housing market this week, hoping for those sub 6% rates we saw in February, today's data just delivered a massive reality check. On this Monday, April 6, 2026, the national average 30-year fixed mortgage APR has surged back up to 6.58%. This sudden rebound is being driven by sticky inflation and geopolitical uncertainty that has renewed fears the Federal Reserve will keep rates higher for longer, rather than delivering the cuts we all hoped for. While we are still below the 7% peaks of early 2025, the cost of waiting for a 5% rate just got a lot more expensive for buyers in Northern Virginia and Richmond. In Nova, active listings have surged by over 45% in some areas, but this rate shock is already starting to cool off the early spring buyer frenzy. This is actually a hidden opportunity for you, as other buyers retreat in fear. The inventory remains high, giving you the leverage to negotiate for massive price cuts or seller-paid closing costs. In the Richmond metro area, homes are currently taking an average of 13 days to sell, a major shift from the sold-in-hours panic we saw just a few years ago. For our veterans, your VA loan is still your absolute superpower. With 30-year fixed rates still available near 6.38%, significantly beating the conventional market today, the strategy for this week is simple. Stop trying to time the bottom of the interest rate market and start timing the top of the seller's desperation. Secure a home at a discount today while you have the negotiating power. Simply refinance that 6.5% rate when the market eventually pivots in 2027. To help you run the math on today's 6.58% APR and see which Virginia sellers are already slashing their prices, make sure to download my Gravy app below. The app gives you the real-time data to outsmart the rate watchers and build actual wealth. While the rest of the crowd is frozen in fear,